Hi guys, today we are doing science activity. So in that science activity, we are going to do waterproof magic sticks. So for we need a cartoon. That we need
Egg tray.
egg tray we need nail polish and a glass of water and matches. So you are ready? Yes? So yes, started. Now we need this matches sticks and this pastel color
Nail paint.
nail paint. Now we need to open this and the brown part
We will paint it.
we will paint it. So we will do fast mode. Let's do fast mode.
No.
It will take some time.
To dry.
Yeah. We need in the brown part we can do any color of it. Then it good. So now we need put this here like this. Where it will dry. Pour out. Pour a day. So do like this. Take your
We
somewhere.
will keep it for drying.
Yeah.
And we will now paint some more matchsticks.
Yeah. Most matchstick we have to paint it. So we are painting. It takes a little time to do it. Oh my god. It's very sticky, but it's done. It's done, guys. I think we will do 6. We have to do 6, guys. We are going to do 6 because we will try one now. So we will do 6. Now guys, it will take 1 day to do this. It will
To
dry.
dry this.
We have to try this, but it will take 1 day to do it. survive. You will do in the next day. Okay? You have to give a like and subscribe this channel. Okay? And bye. We will do it. Hello guys. अब ये सो क्या है? तो ऐसे लग रहे हैं. तो हम वाटर के अंदर डुबाएंगे. दबा रहे हैं. हम इसको जलाएंगे. गाइस, क्या जल रहा है? मतलब कि ये वाटर प्रूफ है, क्योंकि ये नेल पॉलिश से का वजह से ये जल रहा है. तो हम ऐसे सेक करके इसको निकाल लेंगे. हाँ, इसको गरम तो हम और भी ट्राई करेंगे. सेकेंड तो इसको जब हम डालेंगे वाटर अंदर जलाएंगे. अगर आप नहीं जला पाओ तो अपने पेरेंट्स से करवा लो ऐसे.
Oh, Ishan is not able to make it because it's just small. So I will try. Give it to me. So let's see how it happens. Take this. After dipping in water, it is still waterproof,
Yeah.
right? So you need to take parents' help.
Okay, you cannot do it
Yeah. For small kids, don't try
by your own.
your own.
Guys, अगर हम लोग बिना वाटर प्रूफ से करेंगे तो ये जलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि ये नेल कलर से पूरा नहीं हुआ है. ट्राई करेंगे वाटर पर ड्यू करके. देखिए कि जल नहीं रहे हैं. ये जलता नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये वाटर प्रूफ नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे नेल कलर नहीं हुआ है. Thank you guys and watching this video, and give a like in the video and subscribe this channel, and bye.